Hey, Wallet Hubbers! Today we're going to talk about when renovation loans are worth it. In general, a renovation loan is worth it if you get a good deal on the APR and use the money to improve the value and livability of your home. So let's talk about some of the specific things to consider when deciding whether this type of loan is worth it in your situation. First, a renovation loan should increase the value of your home. If you plan on selling the home, making renovations and repairs could help you maximize its value. So if a $50,000 renovation will help the property sell for $100,000 more than it would have otherwise, then taking out a loan is likely to be worth it. Second, a renovation loan will be worth it if it's going to save you money in the long run. It could get you a higher sale price, or if you have a problem in your home that's going to persist and cost you a lot of money, then getting a renovation to pay for repairs could be worthwhile. Third, a renovation loan is worth it if you have a good enough credit score and can get a good rate compared to other borrowing options. This also goes hand in hand with saving money in the long run because interest will accrue over the life of the loan. The fourth scenario where a renovation loan is worth it is if you have enough equity in your home to use a home equity loan for the renovations and you're not at risk of missing payments. So home equity loans typically have low interest rates, but failing to repay this type of loan could result in you losing your home. Lastly, a renovation loan is only really worth it if you know you can afford it. Your debt-to-income ratio is a good indicator of your ability to afford a loan, and most lenders will typically require you to have a debt-to-income ratio of less than about 43%. Now that you know a little more about when renovation loans are worth it, you can start comparing options. To see the best available right now, just click the button right here.